I wanted to help out today, give you a little help guide on how to use the protractor tool on Big Ideas Math. So up here, you can see it says which triangle has the given angle measurements. So you're going to have to measure them. So looks like as far as you really don't have to measure, as far as these numbers, you're going to have to deal with the triangles. You're going to have to classify the triangles. You have to deal with all those things involved. So what we're going to need to do is to number one, click on the protractor link, and it pops up the protractor. Now, in order to use the protractor correctly, you've got to put this X spot, on this right here. This is the vertex. So in order for me to measure this, I have to put those crosshairs right on that point, and then I have to rotate that so that this reads 0. So as you can see, I run all the way up here. It looks like that's a 100-degree angle. But as I go ahead and check over here, I can check this point too. Very good on those crosshairs. A little tough to go on here. And realize that's a 30-degree angle. So obviously that was a 100 and a 30, so that's not a 100 and a 20. So we can kind of tell right away here that this angle looks like it might be open a little more. So we're going to try this angle down here to line it all up. Try to do as best you can on that. And then move the angle, and then move the arrow actually pivots the measurement. So make sure it's lining up on 0. Read the outside of this. Looks like we're again on 100. And you can slide it over here since it's in the same line. And notice that that's a 20-degree angle. Now notice you change your scale because this ray is pointing to 0. So I have to read from 0 up. That's our 20. So that means that our triangle then is our 120. So that obviously